One of my favorite things to make lately with my WeCreat Vision is slate coasters. They're great to give as gifts because so many people have so many mugs but never can find a coaster. If we're just meeting right now, hi, my name is Nisha. Welcome to Little Craft Nest. Slate coasters are super simple to make, so I thought I'd show you how to do that today. So let's get crafting. Start by turning on your machine and placing your slate coasters in your WeCreat Vision. I'm using the 20-watt diode laser, and I'll leave a link in the description for the products I use in this video. Then we can jump onto the computer to use the Make It software. So we can see my two coasters in my machine right here on the screen, and now I need to upload my design. So I'm gonna drag and drop the file that I created in here. And I usually get this pop-up here, the content is larger than the canvas, scale to fit, just click on confirm. Now it is quite big here, so I'm gonna shrink it down and make it fit on one of the coasters. Keep in mind with the coasters, there is that bumpy, rough kind of edge, and so you don't wanna go too close to the edge because your design just won't look that great then. Once everything is lined up where you want it to be, we need to change our material settings. So I'm gonna click off of my design and then click under material. Right now it's set to 3mm wood, which we're not doing. And we're gonna go down our material list here and click on slate. And there's only one option here, slate stone, and that's what we're doing. So go ahead and click confirm, and then click back on your design, and you'll have all your setting options here. And we can scroll down and we've got our preview screen. So click on your slate stone preview screen. And the setting I've been using that I really like is right here, which is a speed of 150 and power of 60%. So go ahead and click on that. And then you can click off that screen. And if we scroll back up, you can see our setting has changed over here. Now we want this same design on our other coaster here. So you could copy and paste or duplicate, but another thing you can do is go up to the top and click on Smart Fill. And that will automatically put that image on the other coaster that you have in your machine. If I had more coasters in my machine, whether it's 4, 5, or 6, it would also duplicate that image a few more times and also fill those coasters up as well. So the size that you made your image on your first coaster will be the same size as all the other ones. If you need to, you can adjust it slightly. I noticed that the waves here are a little closer to the right, and I've got quite the rough edge on the right side of this coaster. So I'm gonna move it down the other way just a little bit. So you may need to do a slight bit of fine tuning. And you'll also notice on the right hand side here that the settings we made for our first coaster are going to be the same settings for the second coaster. So you don't have to do each image one at a time. Once your designs are all set up, go ahead and click on autofocus so that your machine will adjust to the correct height for your laser engraving. And when your machine has finished adjusting, you can go ahead and click on start. It looks like this project is gonna take me about 9.5 minutes. So I'm gonna click on send and then click the physical start button on your machine. I just love how these slate coasters turned out, and I can't wait to give them away as a hostess gift. If you're looking for more videos on the WeCreat Vision, check out this playlist right here, and I hope to see you on more crafting adventures.